Hello, my name's Adrian Cockings and you're watching Keystyle TV. And today I'm going to be taking you around this beautiful 3-bed, 2-bath corner plot villa here in Sucina. So the outside area has been fully landscaped. You've got lots of different areas with sunbeds in front and around the pool, a nice dining area just off the side of the front entrance to the villa, and you've got a lovely seating area which gets all day sunshine. To the side of the property, just in front of the living room here, you've got this beautiful landscape garden with lemon trees, palm trees, banana leaf trees, but it's all easy to maintain with the water irrigation already installed. And coming upstairs onto your private solarium here, you've got a lot of space. In fact, the same floor plan as the inside, where you can have an upstairs outside kitchen, maybe a jacuzzi area, or just a nice lounge area to enjoy the all-day sunshine. As you come into the villa from the front entrance there, you've got a wardrobe for putting your jackets hidden away, and then you enter into your living area. The living room seems spacious and bright, and that's because of these large sliding doors which lets in all the natural light. These also come with fitted fly screens and individual shutters too. And down the end of the corridor, you have got your master bedroom. You've got a walk-in wardrobe to the side and an ensuite bathroom with shower. And here is your first spare bedroom. As you can see, a double bed can fit in here, or 2 single beds, just like the second spare bedroom. 2 single beds, or you can put in a double bed. Both of the rooms have fully fitted wardrobes with drawers and cupboard space, as well as the air conditioning through a duct system throughout the house. Well, that's it from me here today in Sucina, but if you want any more information about this property or any other property that we have on our list, make sure you check out our website at www.keystyleproperties.com, and make sure you like, comment and subscribe to keep up to date with all the latest property videos. Well, my name's Adrian Cockings and I'll see you next time.